Picture this. It's Friday evening. You have no clients, no portfolio, no business name. You're just sitting there with a laptop and some time. By Sunday night, you could have all of that. A name, a sample, a price, a list of 10 real businesses you've contacted. That's not a goal for someday. That's what this video builds. If you watched video 3, you've already seen how ChatGPT can generate real social content. This video is the next step, turning that skill into a packaged service you can actually sell. What you're building is simple. Done-for-you social media content for local businesses. That's it. Not an agency with employees and an office lease. Not a freelance hustle where you're billing by the hour and chasing invoices. One person, one tool, one repeatable system. The distinction matters. Freelancers sell time. You're selling a product. 12 posts a month, handled, scheduled, done. Flat rate. Same output every month. That's what makes this scalable. The work is consistent, so the pricing is consistent. Local businesses are the right starting point because they have the budget, they feel the pain, and most of them are doing social media badly. That's your opening. Friday night has one job. Get the foundation out of the way so Saturday is productive. The first decision is your niche. Pick one vertical. Restaurants, fitness studios, real estate agents, beauty salons, financial advisors. 1. Not because you can't serve others later, but because your sample, your outreach, and your pitch all get sharper when you're talking to one type of business. If you're stuck, go with restaurants. They're everywhere. They care about local visibility, and their social media is almost universally neglected. The second decision is your name. This does not need to be a brand. It can literally be your name followed by the word content. Sarah Chin content. Marcus Wade content. Clear, professional, easy to remember. If you want a brand name, keep it short and direct. One word, 2 at most. Don't spend Friday night designing a logo. That's not what closes deals. The third decision is your price. One tier, $400 a month for 12 posts and scheduling. That's it. No packages, no bronze, silver, gold tiers. Simplicity closes deals. When someone asks what you charge, you give them a number, not a menu. $400 is accessible for a small business and meaningful for you. 2 clients is $800 a month. 5 clients is $2,000. The math is clear from the start. That's Friday. Foundation done. Close the laptop. Saturday morning is where the business becomes real. Your most important asset is not a website. It's a sample. A 5-post Instagram sequence for a fictional business in your niche built with ChatGPT, formatted in a Google Doc. That document is your portfolio until you have real clients. Here's how to build it. Open ChatGPT. Use this prompt structure. You are a social media strategist for a local business. The business is a small restaurant in Austin, Texas called Harlow's Kitchen. It focuses on farm-to-table comfort food and has a warm neighborhood feel. Write 5 Instagram captions for this week. Include 1 post about a featured dish, 1 behind-the-scenes post, 1 community-focused post, 1 that promotes a weekend special, and 1 that builds a personal connection with followers. Keep each caption under 150 words. Conversational tone, not corporate. That's it. Adjust the business type, city, name, and tone for whatever niche you chose. Run it. Read what comes back. Edit anything that feels off. You know the niche. Trust your instincts. Then put those 5 posts in a Google Doc. Add a short header with the fictional business name. Clean formatting, readable font. That's your sample deck. If someone asks to see your work, that's what you send. The sample does 2 things. It proves the output quality, and it gives you something to customize fast. When you reach out to a real business, you can swap in their name and details in under 10 minutes and send them something that feels made for them. Because it is. Saturday afternoon is research. Open Google Maps. Search your niche in a nearby city or any city you want to work in. Look at the businesses that come up, then check their Instagram pages. You're looking for 4 signals: posting gaps of 2 weeks or more, generic stock photos with no real personality, captions that are basically just a phone number and an address, or feeds that are all promotions, no story. Any one of those is a sign they need help. Build a simple list: business name, Instagram handle, and one note about what's not working. 10 businesses. That's your first outreach list. You don't need 100 targets. You need 10 good ones and a message worth sending. Sunday is Outreach Day. Use the direct message template from Video 3. Short. Personal. No pitch deck, no PDF attached to a pitch deck, just a message that says you notice something specific about their account, you do this for businesses like theirs, and you'd like to send them a free sample. That last part matters. Offer the sample first. It removes the sales pressure and gets you a reply without needing to close anything on the first message. After you send those 10 messages, set up a tracking sheet. Google Sheets, 5 columns. Business name, date contacted, replied yes or no. Sample sent yes or no. Call booked yes or no. Nothing else. You don't need a CRM. You need to know where things stand so you can follow up in 3 to 4 days without losing track. Here's the mindset shift that makes this work. You're not waiting to feel ready. You're running an experiment. 10 messages sent is data. If 3 reply, you learn what landed. If none reply, you learn what to fix. Either result moves you forward. The only result that doesn't is not sending anything. One more thing. When you get to 3 or 4 clients, the content volume starts to stack up. You're managing multiple brand voices, different tones, different niches. At that point, a tool like Jasper AI becomes genuinely useful. It has brand voice memory built in, so you're not re-explaining each client from scratch every month. Worth looking at when you get there. You can find it at jasper.ai. This weekend is a decision point. Not a big one, a small one. Open a doc tonight. Pick your niche. Set your price at $400. Write down your name followed by the word content. That's Friday done. The next video covers the 7 niches where this model works best and which ones tend to pay the most. The link is on screen now. If this is the kind of system you're building, subscribe. Every video in this series is one step further.